In this video I want to show you how to remove the dome light of your Volkswagen. This is a Volkswagen Tiguan, but what I will show you next works with the Jetta, Golf, Passat and probably many other models. Take a flat head screwdriver, a knife, something very thin. You're gonna go on this side over here and you're gonna unclip this first part. Then you can do it with your fingers. Okay, remove it. Don't lose it. And as you see, we have two screws. You need a Torx T15 bit, just like this one. Don't lose your screws. Once you have removed this, you can go ahead and unclip the rest of the panel. It will be dangling this way. And to unclip these, let's start with the blue one. You need to press on this clip over here and pull at the same time. It's a bit hard to do it with one hand while holding the camera. All right, we remove this one and then there's another one to remove. Then if your car has a sunroof, to remove this other connector, there's a small latch where my thumb is. I remove it because I had to put the camera down, but what you need to do is to press on this latch right over here with your thumb and pull the connector out. This will unclip it. Now to take out the rest of the assembly, you're gonna take again your T15 screwdriver and remove these two screws. Now we may have some other screws over here, two of them, so open this panel. Again, take a flathead screwdriver. Like this. And now we have two others T15 screws. And now the whole panel should come out. All right, it's still clipped here. Okay, if you cannot remove it, take your screwdriver, go on this side, whoops, and unclip it. Be careful because as you see, it has felt. Here we go, you have removed the dome light of your Volkswagen and you can replace it the same way, just do the same thing in reverse. Thanks for watching, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.